Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to export a video from CapCut to gallery. We start by entering our CapCut project. Next, click on the top resolution option and the settings for the video to export will appear. We can choose the final resolution, the frames per second, or the code rate. When you have it ready, click on Export. Finally, once the process is complete, you will be able to find the video in your exported gallery. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.